Okay guys, new kitchen reno. We just demoed it out. Set up our laser, put blocking in for the bottom of the cabinets, bottom of the uppers. Get a full run down this whole wall. And then we get a short run on this wall. What really screws up this kitchen is that they have their heat duct and AC duct running through the whole kitchen. This used to have a drop ceiling in it at that elevation right there, just above the door head. We're gonna change that, raise it all up, just soften out the AC, and see if we can't make it look a lot better than what it did. More to come.